Hey beauty family, welcome to another weekend vlog. Today is Saturday, March 24th. It is currently 4:32. I know, starting the vlog late like always. I did not vlog yesterday because we pretty much didn't do much at all. We were just at home. But today we're actually gonna go to the shops. I want to go to Forever 21. Maybe I want to find like a sweater because I have no sweaters at all. I only have one leather jacket and it's dirty right now. Baby is right here, and then Omar, as you guys can see in the mirror.
What up?
Oh, and then I want to go In-N-Out or Jack because at Jack I discovered a really good burger. I mean, it's not new or nothing, but I had never had it before. We got it like a couple weeks ago and I like fell in love, and we got it again and I want to get it again because honestly it's so good. It's the ultimate cheeseburger. I literally fell in love. It's freaking delicious. Hey, yeah, so we just got to the shops. Omar is about to get the baby down. You know, that dad life. Hashtag dad life.
Yeah. What is this?
What is it?
Calabazas?
Wow. They're all smushed now. Was that it from there? There's Omar.
Remember, kids, safety first.
Right?
Oh.
I think he's hungry.
There you go.
Nicholas. Leave me alone, Mom. I'm going to sleep. That's like a little beautiful. We luckily found parking right away because usually it takes forever to find parking here. I've been wanting to go to that place right there, Raw. I heard that it's really good sushi. But we already went over this, guys. Omar doesn't like sushi. You guys, I have these new shoes on that I'm loving. I'm going to be posting them on Instagram. So it's pretty much the shops. It's like a little outside mall.
It's like a mini Victoria Gardens, no?
Yeah, it's like a mini Victoria Gardens. If you live in the Inland Empire, you know what I'm talking about.
Careful, don't get run over or what?
Train. We should go on there.
I'll break it.
No, you probably will. They don't even look happy.
I'm gonna wake up my son.
They don't even look happy.
I look all bored.
I know. Like, what the hell are we doing?
Get me off this. Alright, I'm right here taking care of Nicholas while his mom is over there doing her thing. She's not even gonna buy anything, but yet she's still looking around. Look at her.
It doesn't hurt to look, yes.
Pretending she's gonna buy stuff.
This is a trick, you guys. If you guys want to save money, but you want to feel like you're shopping, you get your cart, you fill it up with everything you want, you try it on, and then you put it back. And that's all.
So what's the whole point of doing that?
Just so you can feel like you're gonna buy something, but you're really not.
A Genesis 101 right there, ladies. Hi, puppy.
There's so many things on sales, you guys. Everywhere you go, there's like a sale sign. Guys, we're walking into Forever 21. Ooh, what is this? 2 for $16. So I could fit in the frame because it's falling down.
What the heck?
I trying to fit in the frame. I was hoping no one was looking at me.
It's like you're dancing.
You guys, I feel so bad for the workers. Look at all this mess. Like, what in the world?
What happened?
2 hurricanes.
But the workers don't even bother to pick it up anymore.
I know.
For what?
Look at. Oh my god, I would hate. This is why I would hate working at a retail store. This is today's outfit. Ooh. 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 Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him.
Who's looking at?
And myself. Look at the floor, you guys. It's so sparkly. I think I would want this for one day for my beauty room. What a beauty.
Me or who?
No, the building.
Oh.
Just kidding. Of course. I just go in where they say deals, or else I won't go in, or else I won't step in. The night has fallen upon us. Hey guys, so we're taking a little break from shopping. Here's Omar. He got some Wetzel pretzels.
Bites.
And then here, right here, we're sitting in front of the little fireplace. Just relaxing. Taking a little break. Trying to think about our next move. I'm gonna put on his new sweater that he bought because he's cold.
A little chilly here, so
So we're just right here, guys, spending time with my baby, enjoying our time together. What happened? Yes, of course you.
Oh, baby.
You, baby.
Thank
Enjoying
you.
the time with my husband, my lovely husband.
Yeah.
We decided to go to Jack in the Box after all, so we're gonna go there right now. Just want to show you guys this beautiful little nook. There's a lot of kids right now running around. I was telling Omar I can't wait till our baby's that old so he can be running around. We can be getting him in trouble.
Like around what age to start running around? Like around maybe like 1.5 or 2?
Like 2, I would say.
Like
2,
2?
like good, yeah.
No,
You look so handsome in this lady.
I am handsome. Thank you. Thank you. Probably could like shave or something.
Shut up, Chinese boy. Is that one of your kids or what? Hey guys, so we're home right now. We got our food we're gonna eat right now, and then we're gonna watch some Netflix. We're gonna watch the show Taken. If you guys haven't watched it, you guys check it out. It's pretty good. So what we got to eat is, so we have some curly fries right here. What is this?
What else we got?
I don't know what that is.
Well, open it.
Oh, slides? Are these slides?
Yep. Some chicken nugget sliders. Look at it, it's tiny. Alright, what else we
There's more
got?
fries in here? Those are yours?
What? No, heck no. Oh yeah, get the one with the most.
And then we have a lot of sauces because
You have to. No, you never have enough.
extra sauces. What are these?
No, secret sauce.
Ooh, I've never had that before. This is like
Hamburger.
we got a lot of food. Tacos.
It's a monster taco. ¿Al sácalo? What's the difference between a regular taco? This is a monster taco right here.
It's larger.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like longer. Because usually they're like this.
Alright, what else?
That's all.
Show the burger so they can see pues. Since you've been wanting
So
it.
this is the ultimate cheeseburger that I'm telling you guys about. That it's so good. You got the bacon one?
There's an upgrade, yup.
Ooh. So this is it, you guys. You guys should definitely try it out. Look at that. So we got that. We got our sliders, monster taco, curly fries, secret sauces. And we have our drinks over here somewhere.
Got them over here.
They're over there. So you guys, what? So you guys, we're gonna go ahead and eat, and then we'll catch you guys in a bit.
What the hell's going on?
Say hi to the vlog, guys. You guys are gonna be famous.
I don't know. Let me lawyer up. Don't record me without consent. Hey, nigga.
You see you for your money.
Man, payasada.
You get no no, it's substitute. Ooh, it's gonna be horrible.
¿Dónde está?
Me trajo Rebeca.
What? Is that it?
Yeah.
Ooh! nice.
The big truck, oh my god. Holy god.
Wow, mama, it's nice.
Yo, Dad, what are you looking at? That's my dad's car. Look at this one. Mama got this one.
Wow, mama. Congrats.
The paint.
Arraba Fort.
Bad luck. Ma'am.
Oh wow, it's nice in here. So as you guys saw, my mom ended up getting a new car. I'm super happy for her because she deserves that and so much more. So I think I'm just gonna call it a night, you guys, and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.